Alright, this is the daily chart of BBRY. In this video, I'm going to explain why BBRY needs a lot of volume to start the new uptrend again. And one of my screens I'm going to look at. I look at a lot of screens, but the hourly chart can really show, especially with the way I have my visionary line set up, can really show something that most people are not seeing. Also, you can see that this stock lost an immense strength on the daily as well. But let's take a look at this Y, and let's go to the hourly chart here. So, basically, theoretically, if we were going by the buy signal, we're above these particular, the power check 2 lines. And BlackBerry had this nice, but this failure, as you can see, is very significant now. Doesn't mean that BlackBerry doesn't go up, but I'd like to tell you one thing here. As this stock, if this stock cracks below 990, we will have lost all the lines again, and we're going to go. And again, if we look at the hourly chart, people, something happened here. 16.6 million on this hourly chart to the downside. And what did the stock do? I mean, just think about it. So I'm looking at it an hourly chart here. And the only way, honestly, we have there's multiple ways I could bring my 30-minute chart into play, but what I can say is we need a lot of strength and a lot of volume as we try to get above 1050, 1057 area, based on what the hourly charts are showing. So I want to show this again. I look at multiple ways. I looked at the stock, and when I say BlackBerry needs a lot of volume, well, this video is based on, as you can see here, the Friday, November 21 close. Okay, and we're just 1024. Let's see what happens, people. I'm not going to guess. I'm going to say an instruction here. BlackBerry needs to crack above the 1050 area just to save itself on heavy volume. And if cracking below 990, it's going to fill these gaps, these lower gaps that we have in the 950 area. And it's based on the visionary lines, the odds are favoring that, and of course this day here. The only way to reverse this is heavy volume, and if volume doesn't come in, BlackBerry is going lower. I'm just demonstrating, strong analysis. I mean, BlackBerry. I explained this many times that the last time I was in here, I caught this directional move here. If we look at my stream, Power Trigger Trade, developer of the visionary line system, breakout master expert in stock options. And basically what that means is this: in order to be able to catch options, you need to be able to find direction in a stock where the odds are favored, because you don't have time to wait years and months like some people do, holding and watching the stock go up and down and going nowhere. Okay, BlackBerry has, in my opinion, has had setups that could go but continue to fail to go because volume wouldn't come in, and volume came in very late here, only to reverse. This was very misleading, this bar on the daily. The intraday and the daily do not they are not agreeing with each other. So so this chart here, it's telling me one thing. They're based on what the intraday is saying, what the daily is saying, and a lot of time frames are looking. This stock needs a lot of volume because most of the time frames are saying this is very negative, and we favor lower prices, people. And if you're seeing this video, follow me for more great advice, because I don't sugarcoat anything. I mean, if this stock is going to go higher, I will jump in because I see that there is potential, but at the same time, the market doesn't think that yet. You can't fight the market. This pullback, the only way I see me getting excited, because look, even if I have to buy in the $11 area and I have the proof, on BlackBerry, you can go fill the gap at 14. There's great gains to make in options, but I can't be waiting. An option trader cannot be waiting for the stock to do this stuff, not move very directionally. This was the best time here. I'm telling you, I was in the stock here. I made the videos, the explanations. I was bullish BlackBerry. I was expecting a pullback, then the news came in, and I got out of it and never was able to get into it because it was never create the signals I wanted that are called sustainable moves like this. Because that's what I am, an option expert. So I hope you like this update. I hope there's some people who are gonna want to listen and learn instead of mocking and saying things people are missing. No, I'm trying to catch real moves, not fake moves. This is not a real move in my opinion because there was no underlying volume. This had the underlying volume, people. Do you understand? For people who I hope I help to understand, this had the right characteristics. This did not, and that's why we have this failure. And again, I showed you the hourly chart here, right? So follow me for more great advice. See this strong volume selling? Think about it now. Look at all the bars, people. Why is it that after this bar, the market is going? Does it not tell you something's wrong? So the only way to reverse this negative bar is something strong coming now here below, like this. It was able to trade 16.6 million to the downside within an hour. All right? So there you have it, people. And then we had follow through too, by the way, of the hourly bar, 8.6, but that's really just showing a half an hour bar. If we combine the real, theoretically, it was more than that in an hour. But anyways, I wanted to make this clear because I look at the facts. I don't sugarcoat or make things up. I really read the charts, what they're saying, and there is all the time frames are not in favor of BlackBerry to go higher, and the only way to change that is extremely strong price action in towards the $10.57 to $11 area on strong volume. Thanks for listening. Like,